हाय एवरीवन, मुझे उम्मीद है आप सब बहुत ही बढ़िया होंगे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं देन हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति और आज मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ आपके साथ एक मिनी अमेजोन हॉल। सो मैंने कुछ मेकअप खरीदे हैं अमेजोन से। मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर स्विस ब्यूटी बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू अ वन ब्रांड मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल यूजिंग स्विस ब्यूटी। सो यस, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू गाइस एवरीथिंग आई गॉट इन दिस हॉल। मैं इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का परचेज लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, सो यू डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू द hassle of searching them all. So yes, now without any further ado, let's just get into the video. First of all, I got this Maybelline baby lips. This is how it looks. I got this in the shade Cherry Kiss and I really wanted to get a tinted lip balm from such a long time because I think मैंने past 3-4 सालों से tinted lip balm ही खरीदना बंद कर दिया था. I was just using my normal lip balm and they were working really good for me. But sometimes I really used to miss my tinted lip balm, especially जब मैं कोई beginners makeup tutorial या फिर no makeup look shoot कर रही होती हूँ तो. And मैंने पास में बहुत baby lips use किया है and I really like them. So yes, I will just tear it open and I will show you the color. So this is how it looks from the inside. I will just swatch it. So this is the shade. It is a very light, beautiful baby pink sort of shade. Now moving on to our second product, I got this makeup mixing palette which looks something like this and I've already tried it while I was doing the face art. So these palettes are really convenient if you are a makeup artist. मतलब आपको अगर foundation mix करना है या फिर कुछ face paint ही mix करना हो, then this is really convenient. It also comes with this spatula. Wait, I'll just show you guys how it looks. So this is how the palette looks like. And this is how the spatula looks like you see. एक तरफ ही आपको pointed मिल जाता है, so you know it is easier to scrape off product. So once you scrape out the product, you can just mix it off and then apply it. So yes, I think it is a must have for people who are more into face art or makeup artistry. Then I got this makeup blender and it is from Cal Los Angeles. It is latex free and hypoallergenic. By the way, all of these products that I have got in this haul is very affordable. I do not think anything is above 400 or 500, so it's very affordable. So I'll just show you how the blender looks like. So this is how the blender looks like from the inside. It feels very soft. I'm yet to use it, but अगर आपको एक first impressions video देखना है इन सारे makeup products के साथ, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do it for you guys. And then the last non-makeup product I have got is this Sanfi or Sanfe. I do not know how do you pronounce it, but these are face razors. So this is how they look like. I have never tried anything from this brand. I was using Miniso face razors which I really liked, but मेरे घर के पास वाला Miniso अब बंद हो चुका है and मुझे वो अब ऑनलाइन भी नहीं मिल रहा था, so I bought this one and I hope it turns out to be good. Now we are only left with makeup products and that too Swiss Beauty. I am planning to do a lot of one brand makeup tutorials for you guys this year. And उसमें से एक Swiss Beauty भी होने वाला है. I'm yet to buy a few products from them which I would shop for next. But yeah, इस बार I got the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer which looks like this and ये claim करता है that it covers blemishes at one stroke. मैंने जो shade लिया है वो है 04 medium beige. This is how it looks from the inside. Medium beige के हिसाब से तो मुझे ये concealer काफ़ी ज़्यादा light लग रहा है और इसमें ज़्यादा shades भी नहीं आते हैं. I think you get 6 shades in this. I think it will be a good highlighting concealer for me. Then next from them I got the Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. The outer packaging looks something like this and it claims to brighten skin, modify pores, moisturize and nourishes. And yeah, you can apply it just as a primer or you can also mix it with your foundation and apply it for a more glowy and dewy finish. This is how it looks from the inside. काफ़ी luxurious packaging है इसका. By the way, I got the shade N02 Golden Tint. I will swatch it here. So can you see the glow? It's right here. I honestly don't feel that it will minimize my pores or will act as a primer. It will just give a nice glowy finish to your skin. Then I restocked my favorite eyeliner and it is the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Bold Fat Tip Eyeliner which looks like this. मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट को कितनी बार रीपर्चेज किया है and I mainly like it because it is waterproof. बहुत अच्छा eyeliner है ये. It is jet black. The only problem is that if you have really oily lids then it can transfer to your hood. So I will just swatch it right here. I would highly recommend you to try this eyeliner if you are a sketch eyeliner type of a person. Then I also got the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, which looks like this. I got this in the shade number 06 और ये palette काफ़ी चर्चे में है because they are dupe of the PAC Ultimate Shadow Box, and also a few of them are a dupe of Huda Beauty palettes. So yeah, this is how they look from the inside. I'm just going to swatch a few shades to see how the pigmentation is. And maybe yeah, this one. So can you see the pigmentation? It looks pretty good to me, but of course I will have to see how it blends and everything. So again, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आप सबके साथ ये try करूँ, then you know, comment below. Then next we got the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. This is with aloe vera and vitamin E. And last year तक मैं बिल्कुल believe नहीं करती थी कि what a makeup fixer can do to your face. But ever since I started using makeup fixer, I have fallen in love with it. मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कि सारे makeup fixers आपके makeup को बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting बना देते हैं, but it really does make your face look flawless because it takes away all the excess powderiness and leaves a nice glow to your face. So I have never tried makeup setting spray from Swiss Beauty, so again I do not know how it performs. I will just open it for you guys. So this is how it looks from the inside. काफ़ी cute bottle है. It claims to make your makeup last longer. We will test it out. And then last but not the least, I got the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette, which looks like this. I got this in the shade 03. I think this palette is amazing because it also has bronzer, highlighter and blush. You get pink as well as coral blush, which is so great. You get 3 matte blushes in there, 2 shimmery blushes and then 2 bronzers and 1 highlighter. So I'll swatch one matte blush, one shimmery blush, a bronzer and the highlighter for you guys. So here is the blush. Oh my god, just look at the pigment. This is the shimmery blush. The glitters in there is not very chunky. Also one bronzer in it is shimmery and the other one is matte. And then here goes the highlighter. So yes, that was it for my mini Amazon makeup haul. मुझे उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. Again, don't forget to check the description box below for the links to all these products. और मैं मिलूँगी आपसे अपने next वीडियो में. Until then, take care. Bye.